On every story I do, you need that superstar, charismatic, sexy megafauna species to draw people in. In this case, obviously in Antarctica, it's the leopard seal. To get in the water with this leopard seal and have it come racing over to me and do these big threat displays. This is a seal that's 12 feet long. Over 1,000 pounds, bigger than a grizzly bear. But they're actually intelligent, nurturing, caring animals that are very complex. When you look at this prehistoric serpentine appearance of a leopard seal, they're designed for speed. They've got these long pectoral flippers that when they're on a chase of a penguin, that they can turn those and they can spin within the length of their body while doing 20 miles an hour. It's beautiful to watch them hunt. When the penguins come to sea, you see them get focused, they tuck their pecs in, and they're off like rockets. Boom, they grab the penguin. And then you watch how they do the shake using centrifugal force to turn the penguin inside out, and then they carefully select the best parts of the meat off that penguin, and then they go on to the next one. Even though they're at the top of the food chain, their main diet is krill. And when you look at bad ice years, when you have really low production of annual sea ice, you get a low production in krill. And that's what's making leopard seals, like every species in Antarctica, vulnerable.